Okay, my name is James Malik. I'm here with the cultural infographic on Morocco. Um, what is the current crisis that is affecting their culture and what is being done about it? Everybody's dealing with the coronavirus right now, as we know. But as of March 31st, Morocco has reported 574 cases of infection and 33 fatalities from COVID-19. The Moroccan government has moved quickly to stay ahead of the curve, implementing a nationwide lockdown. The coronavirus crisis has led many to applaud and energize collaboration between the government, the private sector, and civil society organizations in Morocco. Is it a collectivistic or individualistic culture? Morocco, with a score of 46, is considered a collectivistic society. The score was taken from the source from the website I chose, which is down below. This is manifest in a close long-term commitment uh, to the member group, be that family, or extended relationships. Morocco, it is it an ambiguity tolerant or intolerant culture? Morocco scores a 68 in this dimension, and thus is a very high preference for avoiding uncertainty. Countries exhibiting high uncertainty avoidance maintain rigid codes of belief and behavior and are intolerant of unorthodox behaviors and ideas. Um, is it a feminine or masculine society? A high score in masculine on this dimension indicates that the society will be driven by competition, achievement, and success, with success being defined by the winner slash best in the field. A value system that starts in school and continues throughout an organizational life. Is it a low distance power or high? At a score of 70, Morocco is a hierarchical society, which means that people accept hierarchical order every in which everybody has a place and which needs no further justification. Stereotypes of this culture portrayed in America. One stereotype portrayed in America is that Moroccans always wear traditional clothes. In fact, Morocco is a country well known for flamboyant outfits and its fascinating heritage. Another stereotype is all Moroccan women wear the hijab, when in fact, in big cities, seeing someone wearing a hijab is as common as not seeing it. Although in rural areas, it is more common to see someone wearing a hijab. Traditions closely associated with this culture. Moroccan mint tea, which is their national beverage. Drinking mint tea is a cherished beverage all around the country. Making and consumption of the tea plays an important role in the fabric of Moroccan social life. Serving a mint tea in homes, cafes, and small businesses is a large part of local hospitality. For tourists, visiting a hammam feels exotic. For Moroccans, bathing in hammam is a centuries old tradition, akin to a spa experience. The scrubbing and cleansing that takes place leaves the skin exfoliated and rejuvenated. Here are my few sources, and yeah, thank you for your time.